How to increase your RBC credit card limit. Step 1. Assess your needs and eligibility. Before you even think about applying, take a moment to consider why you need a higher credit limit. RBC, like other financial institutions, will evaluate your request based on several factors, including your credit history, income, payment behavior, and overall relationship with the bank. Ensure you've been using your card responsibly, making payments on time, and ideally have a stable income. Step 2. Explore RBC's official channels. RBC provides several ways for you to request a credit limit increase. The most common methods in 2025 are likely to be through online banking. Log into your RBC online banking portal, navigate to your credit card account details. There's often a section for Manage My Card or Service Requests, where you might find an option to request a credit limit increase. Another option is through in-person at a branch. Visit your local RBC branch and speak with a banking advisor. They can guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have. Step 3. Submitting your request. Regardless of the method you choose, you'll likely need to provide updated information about your income, employment status, and potentially any significant changes to your financial situation. Be honest and accurate in your application. Step 4. The review process. Once you submit your request, RBC will review your application. This process can take anywhere from a few business days to a couple of weeks. They will assess your creditworthiness and ability to handle a higher credit limit. Step 5. Receiving a decision. RBC will notify you of their decision, usually through online banking messages, email, or mail. If approved, your new credit limit will be updated in your account. If denied, the notification will typically outline the reasons why. Common reasons for denial include a short credit history with RBC, missed payments, high credit utilization on other accounts, or insufficient income.